Hi, my name is Anna Inferrera. I'm a yoga teacher who lives in Italy and travels around to organize different venues and events. My love story with yoga started in the late 90s when I was living in New York, and my life was pretty hectic. So I worked a lot, I enjoyed the city a lot, which means I went out, and my life was not very balanced. But I was young and I didn't have the tools to really listen to what my body needed until my body decided to talk very loudly to me. So all kind of symptoms came to surface. And only back then I committed to really build a regular practice, because I could feel what an incredible and fulfilling and transformative practice yoga could be for me and what could bring in my life. This was a full science that could provide all the tools I needed to really learn how to navigate this incarnation the best I could. Over the past 20 years, I can say I taught in every possible setting you can think about. So starting from yoga centers to gym centers to many private classes. And when yoga really started to grow here, because back 20 years ago, there were not even many yoga centers in Italy. But then yoga really arrived big time. So I had the chance to teach even huge venues with 2,500 people, yoga festivals, many yoga festivals here in Italy and abroad. But my favorite setting is a yoga retreat space, especially if we have a week-long time, because in this container, it's really easier to facilitate change, to facilitate self-awareness. And there's a magic that opens up. The field really opens up, and there's magical experiences that I carry on with me from years of leading yoga retreats. What do I look for when I choose a retreat place? Believe it or not, the first thing I look for is the heart of the people who created the space, the quality of presence of the people who really ignite that place, because the connection also between the team, because there's a lot happening behind the curtains that we don't even realize. But for a yoga retreat to really hold many people and to keep on doing yoga retreats, there's a lot that happens behind the curtains. And I really think it makes a difference when the team and the humans behind such a project work well together and they put their heart and soul. Also, I'm Italian, so I love and I believe in embracing all senses in life and in finding an incarnation which can really express pleasure and fullness. So to me, every detail is important. Every detail that can express Shri, beauty, starting from food. So for me, food is an incredible part of the experience within a week together. It's almost as important as the yoga practices, and they play a big role. These aspects, together with nature. Nature is really fundamental in my retreats. I could not work with all the kinds of rituals that I offer if I didn't have nature around. So that's mandatory. And I found in the Ligio all of these aspects, really. I find everything that I'm looking for. This is the reason why I keep coming. I've been coming for so many years. This is the reason why many students come from the very first venue. They keep on coming. They really look forward to this week of a retreat, which is fulfilling, and it really gives a nourishment and a joy that is so profound and that stays with you for many weeks to go after you left the place. So I'm always very happy to go back to the Ligio.